Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today in front of us we have a Sanremo U dual boiler espresso machine with pump pressure profiling. Today we're going to go over the unboxing of this machine. It can only ship on a pallet. It cannot ship UPS, FedEx, or Postal Service. Too heavy for the Postal Service anyway, because it will get damaged. On the side of the box, it does say product must not be laid down. So this machine, this box at all times needs to be vertical. Now we already have opened the box, just want to make sure it didn't get damaged coming to us, but it will come with Sanremo straps. Just to let you know, we do take off those straps, which we have to cut with scissors, okay, and they can't go back on because we bench test the units before they ship. We also want to make sure there was no damage done to the machine in our warehouse, because sometimes a box may fall, not often, but once in a blue moon, may fall from the second, third, fourth, or fifth shelf because our warehouse goes up pretty high. So you will see or receive the machine with the black straps, because that's what we stock. We don't stock Sanremo straps nor any other manufacturer. And when you get it, you'll take it off the pallet. You'll see straps holding the box of the pallet. You're going to cut those with scissors. And then once you have it on a large countertop or the floor, you will cut the straps. And there's typically will be 2 of them. Okay, so the next step is you can't remove the box. There's a bottom section and a top section. And you'll see these twist tabs here. You'll take those off, and I suggest not destroying these or throwing these out, especially until you get everything up and running and have the machine working for at least a month. But I strongly suggest keeping everything, because in case you ever need to ship this anywhere to a new residence, repair, whatsoever, even in your car, it is best in this box, and you will see why. So I removed the 2 tabs on this side, the 2 tabs on this side. At this point, you will lift up the black and white box. And this model here is the black and white. You will see the accessory box here on top. That comes off. Now, you could see that this has a lot of foam, just in case it gets hit when it's on a pallet, because once in a blue moon, a machine can get damaged on a pallet. We have some secret sauce here on how we package these on a pallet, but unfortunately I can't share that with you. And that's to avoid damages by the shipping companies who ship on a pallet. This large piece of foam comes out, okay? So that comes out of here. We'll put this back here. And then we have one in the front. We'll put that over here. And as usual, as I always say, my videos are unscripted. There is no scripts. Now, as you can see, there's a leg back here and a leg back here. I suggest trying to get in here. There's a cord tucked under here. You want to grab and pull there. And then also from the group head is usually a safe spot. I don't like the drip tray. And then basically I lift up. And of course the foam will give me a hard time. I'll move the box. And let's try one more time. Let's try from the front leg. Push that off. Get a separate set of hands. And of course, giving me a hard time, but as you can see, that's what I just did to get rid of this packaging. 99% of the cases, there'll be a bag over the machine. Once in a while you may find no bag, but very unusual. You'll see the extension cord or the electrical cord plugged in here and typically wrapped. There'll be a tie wrap here. This will be removed by us. Why? And the bag will be removed. Why? Because we are testing the machine with water only. You'll find a instruction here on how to, when you're plumbing it in, we'll go over that real quick in case you are plumbing in the drain. You'll take the drip tray out. You may find a water stain from the testing by Sanremo, because they also test the machines. We haven't tested this one yet. So there's a water stain right there, and you may find that because they do test with water as well. In the front here, there were two little screws or screw caps, nuts. Okay, just going over what the instructions show. And you'll see two sets of holes. Okay. This set further away from the machine, okay, further away, is for the drip tray when not plumbed. If you're plumbing, you're going to need to move the holes to the back, okay, so just to make you aware, and then you'll get that in here, okay, and you may see some scratches on the bottom, normal. Maybe when they're putting it in, they may scratch it, so just to make you aware, normal to see scratches there. So we'll put it back in for non-plumbing mode. Tighten these screws up. Now we have the machine here, and you can also use the water reservoir. And my suggestion is to use the machine for a minimum of 3 weeks in tank mode. You want to plumb the drain? Fine. But don't plumb in the machine right away. Let's make sure that your water is compatible with the machine. Because if it's too purified, or it's distilled, or reverse osmosis with very little minerals, basically what'll happen is the machine may overfill and you will have a leak all over the place. So please use it in tank mode and fill the reservoir outside of the machine. Why do I say that? Because in case you pour water by accident and the machine's plugged in and on, you can damage the machine. So I'll put that back in there. And now we'll go to the accessory box. Okay, let's check it out. Let's get this drip tray back in place. Okay, I've had some difficulty in the past getting this in. There we go. Get that there. And there's some screw tabs on the side here that we need to make sure that we get under. If you notice, you'll see a screw lock right there and one on that side. So you do need to get this in just right. And at the same time, get under there. As you can see, I also have difficulty at times when I'm learning on a new machine. So let's pull this out again. Okay, again, it's unscripted. We don't script. There we go. See that? It's going to take a little bit of practice with that. Let's get this machine over here, get to the accessories. Cleaning cloth. Okay, dual spout portafilter with 2-cup basket. Looks pretty level to me for easy tamping. Okay, there's some hard foam in here that's holding everything nice and securely. Bottomless portafilter. Looks like a 3-cup basket and possibly 22 grams of coffee can fit in there. Nice tamper. Says Sanremo on it. Okay, little bit of movement. Let's check up against a 58.55, which does fit in here. So this is probably a 58 because there's a little bit of movement there. So at least a decent tamper. If you want something better, back flush disc in metal. Cleaning brush for the group head. I'll give you 3 chances to say what's in here, but you probably already know. We have a steaming pitcher, Sanremo logo on it. And you can also might probably say Sanremo, but Get that foam out. And then in here, we have our plumbing kit. Okay, we have stainless steel braided hose. The drain hose, which gets connected to the back here. Remember, the drip tray has to move forward a little bit. We have a, well, it might be a stopper in here. And the bracket. And a plastic elbow. This looks like it's for the drain kit. Yeah, so this one has a hole. So this, the one that's in there is blocked. This is the one you're going to need to install. And then this holds the whole hose in place. And remember, on this hose, the drain hose, for every 12 inches across, it has to go 1 inch down. Okay, just remember that. Because if not, you'll get some coffee stuck in there, grounds. And then from there, you will have backup and leakage all over the place. We have an instruction booklet for you, the you. We have the connected web app, okay? And it says in the back here, think about it. That's their saying. Mine is coffee first, everything else second. And then here it looks like we have possibly an inspection report in, it's CE approved. And it has the serial number, and somebody signed off on it. Carlo Di Sordi. It says CEO. Oh, I wonder if that's original. Anyways, that's the unboxing of the Sanremo U dual boiler espresso machine. Look for my next few videos on operation, startup, and so forth. And hopefully you can enjoy this wonderful machine. I've actually been trained at their Sanremo US facilities for tech support. 2 days of training, also going over the water. As I said, the three main things: no distilled, no RO, and no purified. You do need some mineral content for the machine to work properly. But this is one gorgeous machine that hopefully you can get in your bar, your kitchen, cafe, and so forth. Because I know that it makes good espresso. I tried it at the Sanremo USA facilities. If you have any questions or comments, please ask down below. Visit the link on to our website and see for more information on this fabulous machine. And hopefully you can order one soon, and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a great day. And as I said before, coffee first, everything else second. Take care.